Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to delete temporary files and folders in desktop or laptop. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in my laptop. First I will type Ctrl and R from my keyboard, and here you can see this run icon will appear. Now I will type temp and hit enter. Then you can see these are the temporary files which are created on my laptop. To delete, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard and select them all. Then right click and just delete. And we can simply skip the one which we don't have permission to delete. You can see here these temporary files are deleted. Now let's go for temporary folders. For that again type Windows plus R, and over here just type %temp and % and hit enter. Then you can see these are the temporary folders which are created in my laptop. To delete them, just type Ctrl and A from your keyboard and right click and go to this delete. And you can see deleting process is started. Just skip the one which we don't have permission to delete. And do the same for the rest. And yes, all the files and folders are deleted. Again, they are stored in our recycle bin. Then right click on recycle bin and click on this empty recycle bin and hit yes. And you can see all the temporary files and folders are deleted from my laptop. So you can follow the same process to delete temporary files and folders from your desktop or laptop. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.